Where's it? Where's it? Is that you, God? Remember that? Yeah, that was me when I was wearing these headphones with the Jotunheim balanced out. You hear any kind of music? Best kind of headphone. Hey guys, what's up? So today, I'm gonna give you some good news. Now, the first clip you saw from this video was the Edition X version 2 review I did a few years back. And the second clip was my review of the Ananda a few months back. Now, if you watch those videos, they are the same headphone with a different headband. And if one thing is in common, I was raving about these headphones. These were like one of the best headphones I've ever heard, and I absolutely loved it for the value. Now, with this being said, both headphones are still above $1,000, and that's not really affordable for a lot of people. Now, today I give you really good news. This headphone. So this, yes, it looks identical to the Edition X version 2, and this is in fact the Edition X version 2, basically, with a different headband again. Now, what this is the Edition XX from Massdrop and Hyphaman. So this is a collaboration between Massdrop and Hyphaman. They brought back the Edition X version 2, which was discontinued because Ananda replaced it, and they reduced the cost by putting on a different headband. Now, I'm not really a fan of this headband because it is cheaply built, but that's what it takes to reduce the cost of these headphones. So I believe these headphones are now $599 or $600 USD, and they are much more affordable than above $1,000 price point. So I'm very happy with that because these headphones are really for sound. And if you know Hyphaman has been always known for bringing the best value for the money for consumers. Now, quickly, another change is that they use 3.5mm connectors instead of 2.5mm old Hyphaman style connectors. So I think they really nailed it with this headphone in terms of reducing the cost for one of the best sounding headphones out there. Now, I do have a few headphones here for comparison, quite a few actually. And by the time this video is public, I believe all the comparisons will be posted on Patreon. So make sure to check out our Patreon in the link description below. Now, I'm not gonna go too deep into sound in this video because I'm going to be doing comparisons in the span of the next few days. And also because I already reviewed the Edition X version 2 and the Ananda on this channel. So now with this being said, I'm going to address the main concern that people may have and what I feel about it. So after discussing with my teammates and other people, what I found was that the main concern may be the headband. Is it comfortable? Is it durable? Now, the headband is very similar to the HE4XX headphone over here. Well, in fact, exactly the same. And basically, this is their way of reducing the cost of these headphones. And both of these headphones, it's quite scary to adjust the headband. You really gotta hold it and pull to adjust, pull and push to adjust. And it's quite stiff. So there is no chance that you will have it on your head and then adjust it like this. You will need quite a bit of finger powers to do that. And it seems like durability is an issue with this headband because I've seen other people report that it was broken or bent, but this has yet to happen to me just yet. Now, however, the headband is quite comfortable. I mean, I have no issues with the headband design. The headphones are light to begin with, so really it is not that uncomfortable at all. So the real question is this headphone still worth it at $600 if the headband is not durable? And my answer is absolutely. Absolutely, not a single drop of doubt, because this headphone is there for sound. Now, if you have to, let's say your headband broke, and somehow you have to use strings to attach it to your head, it is still worth it. This headphone is for sound, and the sound is incredible. The bass is there, it extends very low, it sounds really open, and it is an incredible headphone. I mean, it is above $1,000 to begin with, but they just reduced the cost with the headband design. Now, technically, I haven't tried this yet, so don't quote me on it, but you can take this headband, unscrew it, and unscrew this one, and then replace it. So you have a better headband. And again, don't quote me on this one, but if Hyphen sells the headband separately, then I'll link it down below. And if they don't sell it on their website, you can contact Hyphen and see if they sell it separately, but don't quote me on that. But with this all being said, guys, this is if this headband really bothers you. To me, it's not really that uncomfortable. So basically, that was my review of the headphone, just confirming that this is in fact the Edition X version 2 and sounds identical. Now, in the future videos, I'm going to be comparing it against the Odyssey 2 Classic I have here, and the Sandara that I have here, and the HE4XX that I have here. And I'm going to do for another comparison. Maybe I'll do the HT6XX versus the Edition XX over here. So make sure to comment down below what kind of comparison you're looking for. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.